Hi, this is Sarah from UWF, and today I'm going to show you how to find an RSVP for events in Handshake. So the first step is to log in to my UWF, and then you can access Handshake by searching the word Handshake in the search bar. Make sure that you click on this star to bookmark and save Handshake to your favorites so you can access it more easily next time, and then click Handshake. From there, you can log in using your single sign-in information, and then you'll arrive at the Handshake homepage. From the homepage, you'll click on Events, and you'll have a list of all of the various events that are being offered in the coming days and weeks. If you're interested in filtering for a certain type of event, you can search by time, by event type, by events that you've saved, and you can click on all filters to be able to search by specific event types, more specific dates, formats, and labels. When you find an event that is interesting to you, you can click on the event here and learn more about the event details on this page. You can also click RSVP for event to learn more, and you can star it to add it to your favorites, to add it to your list of saved events. If you are interested in registering for a virtual career fair, the process is a little bit different. So click on a virtual career fair, and then click Register. From there, you'll be able to view the various employer sessions within the fair. And when you click on that button, you can then specify which sessions you would like to attend. Click on a session that you're interested in attending and click Confirm to confirm your attendance. If you're not interested in attending this event anymore, click the Registered button to confirm your cancellation. I hope this was a helpful video. If you have any questions about different events being offered at UWF this semester, please reach out to career@uwf.edu or use your Handshake page to find more information. Have a great day and good luck.